Now at 6, two boys, both facing murder charges, could be tried together. Hello, I'm Mark Mellinger. Heather's off tonight. Colt Lundy and Paul Gingerich are both charged with murder in Kosciuszko County. The boys were in court again this morning, and as News Channel 15's Alyssa Ivinson explains, they could be facing just one trial.
Prosecutors want to combine the cases of 15-year-old Colt Lundy and 12-year-old Paul Gingerich. They're both charged with murder in Kosciuszko County, but their defense attorneys say that having just one trial for both boys would break their constitutional rights.
To pack those two boys before the same jury deprives them of a fair trial.
Police say 15-year-old Colt Lundy and 12-year-old Paul Gingerich both shot Lundy's stepfather, killing 49-year-old Philip Danner in his home on April 20th.
The facts are the same. I accept the fact that it's more convenient to the government to present them once, but the culpability is very different with a 15 and 12-year-old.
That's why Lundy's attorney, David Colby, says the boys should not have a combined trial. Gingerich's attorney said in court the boys have separate and different relationships with Danner. There was a difference in the degree of planning and thinking the shooting was intentional, accidental, or justified. But having one trial instead of two would save the state time and money.
I would guess it costs in the tens of thousands of dollars, and that should be a consideration, but that consideration does not trump the constitutional right to a fair trial.
Colby says if there's a conviction, a combined trial could be grounds for an appeal. In the meantime, the boys are still sharing a cell in the Kosciuszko County Jail, playing cards and doing schoolwork to pass the time. But some say they also have a chance to come up with the same story.
That's purely speculation, and I don't believe it's occurring at all.
That speculation is one of the reasons Colby is asking for Lundy to be released from jail on bond.
They are trying as best they can to cope with this. I think I can't speak for Paul. I think Colt is beginning to appreciate the magnitude of the charge.
The judge will decide whether or not to combine the two cases to one trial by the next hearing date. That's next Thursday, June 3rd. In Warsaw, Alyssa Ivinson, News Channel 15.